Nope. Yep. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Today is Memorial Day, and I decided, you know what? I'm not going to take my mountain bike out today. I'm done beating myself up this week. I've already fallen on my hip at DTE, gone probably a good 50 plus miles, we'll say, already in the last 2 days. Just kidding, I'm over exaggerating. But anyways, I decided it was time to break the Harley out and just do a little bit of riding, and it was really a great time. Too bad my GoPro died by the time I went to my parents' house. I went over to have some dinner and enjoy some family time, but on the way back, it was really just awesome. There were a bunch of riders out and a bunch of camaraderie and just a real good time, just riding around the Royal Oak, Troy, Berkeley, Southfield, quadruplex area, or whatever you call it. I'm trying to be smart now. But anyways, yeah, just enjoy this footage that I took of me riding around. It was a little bit of highway action there, and maybe just a little bit of the city streets, but I got as much as I could on 30% GoPro battery. So enjoy, and I hope you guys all had a great Memorial Day, and we'll do a cookout soon. Let's go. Once again, guys, like I said, I was just so glad to be able to get out and ride today. It was such a beautiful day. Just no clouds in the sky, well, except for the ones right there on the right, just trying to prove me wrong. But just a great day. Great day to get out there and ride. Really have been just riding my butt off lately, whether it be mountain biking or, you know, doing the bike. And by bike, I mean Harley. But it really has been just an absolutely phenomenal last few weeks for doing my sporting and being able to go around and fix on my bike and have some time to go out and take photography and, you know, go to Belle Isle or do whatever soever I wanted to do. I really have enjoyed this quality time that I've gotten to just work on my art. But as you can see, I really am enjoying my ride. I like to play around a little bit on the streets, but not as much as I like to play on the mountain bike, because it is a lot more dangerous, obviously. But, you know, it's just a whole different animal. So, here I am, getting off at the 14-mile exit, heading into Troy. I'm about to go ride up John R. right now, taking the right onto John R. and zoom right into Troy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and look forward to more motorcycle videos. I got the mount for the helmet, and I'll be working on trying to get a microphone in there so I can talk to you guys, but with the exhaust and the wind, everything is just super loud. And every time I get off of my bike, I'm always like, I should probably be wearing earplugs because my ears are kind of ringing. So Anyways, I hope everybody had a great Memorial Day, and hope everyone had some good grill outs and drank some good beer and everything was good. But anyways, this is MOTOMTB signing off. Have a great day.